This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER adventure Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Tree by Walt Disney. Once upon a time in the 100-acre wood there lived a wonderful bear named Winnie the Pooh, or Pooh for short. Pooh's favorite food was honey, and one day he found all his jars empty. Pooh followed a bee to the top of a tall tree in order to reach a bee's nest and honey. But way up at the tippity top, the branch he was standing on broke, and Pooh came tumbling down. Next, Pooh asked his friend Christopher Robin for a balloon to help him float up to the bee's nest. Before going up, Pooh rolled himself in mud so that the bees would think he was a little dark rain cloud. But the bees weren't fooled, and the balloon burst. Pooh came tumbling down again. Not the sort to give up easily, Pooh decided to visit Rabbit for lunch. Maybe he would have some honey, and sure enough, Rabbit did. Pooh ate so much of Rabbit's honey that he grew rounder and rounder until he got stuck in Rabbit's door when he tried to leave. Pooh stayed there for many days and nights without eating to lose weight. One day, Pooh wiggled a little in the door and everyone decided it might be time. At last, Pooh was thin enough. Rabbit gave a big push inside and Christopher Robin and all Pooh's friends pulled and tugged outside until, pop! Pooh was free at last. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Pooh discovers his honey jars are empty. Picture 2. A bee's nest is the place for honey. Picture 3. The limb breaks and poor Pooh falls. Picture 4. Pooh landed in a prickly bush. Picture 5. Christopher Robin reattaches eye or tail. Picture 6. Can I have your balloon, Christopher Robin? Picture 7. Pooh will pretend he's a dark rain cloud. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. Up, up, up goes Pooh, the rain cloud. Picture 2. The bees aren't fooled. Picture 3. Oh bother, the balloon is losing air. Picture 4. Christopher Robin catches Pooh. Picture 5. Pooh visits Rabbit at lunchtime. Picture 6. What a good lunch for a honey-loving bear. Picture 7. Oh dear. Round Pooh is stuck in Rabbit's door. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Kanga and Roo bring flowers to cheer Pooh. Picture 2. Rabbit wants Pooh to lose weight fast. Picture 3. Silly old bear, you ate too much honey. Picture 4. Pooh's friends try to help. Picture 5. Rabbits ready to give a show. Picture 6. Pooh soars toward the honey tree. Picture 7. Yummy, yummy, lots of honey.